Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. This is a part 13 video on flags and facts of Asia. If you are new to my channel, I do educational videos for kids to teach them phonics, both Tamil and English, and also uh, teach the kids about the countries of the world by helping them to identify the flags and its interesting facts in a fun way. Okay, so let's go to the video. So as I told you before, today I'm going to promote a women entrepreneur who is my friend, Mrs. Bala. She does an online business of melamine products and also saris, silk saris, and other online products. It is the price is very reasonable and it's very different. The quality is also very nice. So I'll give her WhatsApp number in the description box. So if you want to contact her, please contact her, and you can buy all the online products what she is dealing with. Okay, so let's go to the flag facts. So first, today we are going to see three flags, that is Singapore, South Korea and Sri Lanka. So Singapore flag, see, that is here the red color represents the unity of brotherhood and white is peace, and you can see a crescent, so that means it is a young nation. So to represent that, they are given the crescent, and the 5 stars are the 5 principles of the nation, that is democracy, peace, progress, justice and equality. Okay, so these are the 5 principles. So this is the flag meaning, and Singapore, the capital is Singapore city. Okay, so the national animal is Asiatic lion. So in Singapore, if you are known, the Singapore itself is famous for the merlion, that is the half body of the lion, and the other half will be the fish tail. Okay, the like a mermaid. So it is also called as a merlion. Okay, so that means since fishing is their main occupation, they have given importance to the fish also. And then this lion it is a belief that the king who came to this country, he founded a Malayan lion and just had this as a national animal. Okay, so this is the Asiatic lion is the national animal, and then the national bird is crimson sunbird. Okay, so crimson sunbird, how we are going to remember is, so crimson color, the color of crimson means it is the red which indulge into a purple color. Okay, so if you keep on shading it, that dark red turns into a purple color. So the bird is also like that. So we are going to just remember this red color for this red body of the bird, and then the C, that crescent. So C for crescent and then C for crimson. Okay, like that also you can remember the national bird. Okay, and this we'll see the next flag, that is South Korea. Okay, South Korea, it is very interesting to see the flag facts. So the white background is a piece, and then see, this is the universe. The circle is the universe and the balance of the universe. So red color on top and white blue color is the bottom color. So that means the red color represents a positive cosmic energy. Okay, and then the blue color is negative cosmic energy. So how we are going to remember is, the red color is the blood. Okay, the people's blood. So that is, we are always positive, the people are positive. And then this blue color, as we know that that is a poison color. Usually they say the poison that is when any snake bites a poison, the body turns into blue color. So like that, you have to remember this is the negative cosmic energy. Okay, and then there's 3 stripes on the 4 sides. So this is, see, the first one is the unbroken bars. The 3 bars are unbroken. So this represents heaven, and opposite to it, the 3 bars are broken. Okay, so this is the earth. And then see this one, the middle is not broken, but the either sides are broken. Okay, so this means a water. So how we are going to remember is, see, in the center the river is flowing, or the water is flowing through. Okay, so that is water. And then the opposite is, the center is broken and the other 2 sides are unbroken. Okay, so this is fire. Okay, so that you have to remember, that in the center, due to fire, the rock, this bar gets cracked. Okay, so that is, so this is heaven, earth, water and fire. So this make the balance of the universe. So this is the South Korean flag meaning, and the capital is Seoul. So how we are going to remember is Seoul, Seoul. Okay, so you are going to take that E out, then that will form to Seoul. So the each one has a soul with the positive and negative energy. Okay, we all have a soul or a heart with positive and negative energy. So just you have to include that E and pronounce it as Seoul. Okay, so that is the capital. And then the national animal is Amur tiger. Okay, so Amur tiger, how you are going to remember is, see, there are stripes like this. Okay, like the tiger body stripes. Okay, the black and white stripes. So like that you can remember the national animal. And then the national bird is Oriental magpie. Okay, so this is also, see, it has a dark blue color, black and then white, same as the flag colors. Okay, so Oriental magpie is the national bird. And then the last flag is Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka, how you are going to remember is, see this two stripes, that is the green and the orange stripes represents a minorities. That is, green is for Muslim people in the country, and then orange stands for the Hindu people, and then this maroon stands for the Sinhalese. Okay, that is a major color. And then this border, okay, and the center, the yellow color, everything represents a Buddhist. Okay, so Buddhist. And then this four leaves is called as a bow leaves, which represents a Buddhist principles. Okay, and then the lion in the center is holding a sword, so that means they show bravery. Okay, so this is the flag meaning. And then Sri Lanka, it has two capitals. One is the judicial capital, that is Colombo, and legislative capital is Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte. Okay, so that is the capital. And then the national bird, there is no national animal for this country. There is only a national bird, that is Sri Lankan jungle fowl. It is just the like Indian cock. Okay, so how we are going to remember is, see, on that crown of that cock there is a yellow fire, like the same like the bow leaves of the flag. Okay, that represents Buddhist bow leaves. So it is same like that. So like that you can remember the national animal. So it is called as Sri Lankan jungle fowl. Okay, so that's all about the flags and facts. So let's see the picture hint of these three countries. So the picture hint is, so the first one is, so this is a Sri Lankan map, and then there is a fort. Okay, that is the Kotte. So this is Sri Lanka. Okay, so Sri Lanka, we'll place a flag here. So next one is, only one picture I have taken, and this picture itself is an easy hint for the country Singapore. So a girl is singing, so that is Singapore. Okay, so we'll keep the flag of Singapore here. And then the last one is, so showing the south direction, and then boy is delivering a courier. Okay, so that is South Korea. Okay, Korea, courier, like that you can remember. And we'll place the flag of South Korea. Okay, so that is all about the picture hints. So today the activity what I have taken is, since I thought, okay, it is again and again we are repeatedly taking some book activities. So this time I am not taking a book activity, but another hands-on activity which was very interesting. I just took some popsicle sticks, and then what I did was, I just printed these name list and stuck here. Okay, so what we'll do is, we can make the kit to keep the flag here. So this is Singapore, and then Sri Lanka. Okay, and then here it is South Korea. So we can remember this red color, so you shouldn't turn the flag like this. This is like this. So the red, the blood is first positive energy and then the negative energy down. So this is the South Korea. Then you can just shuffle the sticks, okay, and give it to the kid. So the kid will arrange the flag first, and then the country name, Singapore, Sri Lanka, South Korea, and then the capital, okay, and then the currency. So as I told you, I am just preparing an activity book on the flag. So for each flag I will be giving you the story sequence to remember all the flag facts. Okay, so they will keep the currency, next is a language, and then the national animal. So here Sri Lanka doesn't have a national animal, so we are not keeping this stick, and then the national bird of the three countries, and then the sports of all the three countries. So you can shuffle them and give it to them, and they will arrange it like this. I hope you like this video. So if you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.